If we take a close look at the top edge of our project where we just routered, we have a very sharp edge. We also have a few light burn marks from the router, as well as our pencil marks that we used to help line everything up earlier. Along the sides of our project, we also have very sharp edges. All of these sharp edges need addressed. On the top of my project, which I just routered, I want it to have the appearance that it is still square. Rather than beginning with 80 grit sandpaper, I'm going to begin with 120 grit sandpaper and do just a little bit of sanding just to make it not as sharp. It doesn't take much. With my burn marks and pencil marks, I'm going to begin with 80 grit and then move on to 120 grit. And then on all of my other sharp edges, I want to again start with an 80 grit and move on to a 120 grit. And then lastly, come back with either 150 or 220 grit sandpaper over the entire project. After we are finished sanding everything on the project, we want to install a couple of buttons in the hole locations for our fastener that holds in the lower lateral support.